In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 passive income streams and tell you how you can get started. So whether you're working a 9-to-5 job and you want some passive income on the side, or you're looking to start a side hustle that you can scale, this will give you some ideas on things that you could explore a bit on the side. I'll tell you what you'll need to get started. I'll be clear, these are not get rich quick schemes, so you won't expect not to put in any type of effort and expect to get something out of it. Please do not believe anyone who tells you that there's no income stream that is completely passive. You will have to do some level of work up front or some level of consistent care to keep that passive income stream growing. The greatest thing with this income stream is that, unlike your 9-to-5 job where you're trading your time for money, with these passive income streams you can earn money while you sleep. So with that said, let's jump into the video. The first way you can make passive income, and this is my favorite, is by being a creatorpreneur. In simple terms, this is being a content creator. For you to make this a passive income stream, you need to think about creating content as a business. But for you to get the best out of this, you need to think creating content as a business rather than just a hobby. But you need to have a balance. If you're going to focus only on the business side of things, you're going to burn out before you even turn this into a passive income stream. So you want to do something you love doing but earning from it. Hence, balancing hobby and business together. One of the greatest platforms to use is YouTube if you're thinking of getting started. Anyone could do it. You literally need a phone and an internet connection. So in terms of entry level to this income stream, it is a low level entry. So it is not hard to start creating content on YouTube. But what makes this a passive income stream is how long you can keep this up without seeing any returns. This may take a while before you start earning from it. This is where the entrepreneur side comes in and setting up systems and processes like hiring a video editor so that you can concentrate on creating quality content as long as possible. You can make good money on YouTube if you're consistent and you're hanging in there. For example, Ali, a YouTuber, last year, he made approximately $5 million from YouTube. He spends a couple of hours a week creating great videos. Ali also has a YouTube course on how he's built systems that allow him to put out great content each time. Make sure to check out his channel. If you're considering starting your own channel, the only hardest part of this income stream is putting in time and staying consistent. But if you could get through that initial phase, that is before joining the YouTube partner program, you could make money through YouTube, and this is one of the best passive income streams on my list. My second passive income stream is online courses. As we all know by now, it is very easy to get access to information that you wouldn't otherwise have. And from a passive income point of view, it is a great place to make scalable income. Some person who is making lots of money and has done really well selling online courses is Kate Norton, who started by teaching tricks and tips for using Excel. She did this on TikTok and those videos went viral and evolved her into teaching others about Excel through online courses. In just her first year of doing this full time, she made a whopping $1 million in sales profit. And on a good day, she makes over 6 figures from her online courses that are completely passive. Once she invested time initially in creating this course, she now sells it again and again. This is what you call passive income. So what is the entry level to getting started into online courses? The difficult here is you to identify what kind of value you can bring and what you can teach other people that they are willing to pay for. Once you have nailed that down, now it is time to start creating that class and putting it on platforms like Skillshare, which does not require you to do anything after that. You can even make more cash flow by hosting your own classes on your website, but make sure to drive traffic to your site. You can drive traffic to your website by utilizing social media platforms like TikTok, just like Kate Norton did. If you're still here and you like the content so far, please smash the like button. The third passive income stream is real estate. There are 2 main ways you can get started in real estate. The first is by buying physical properties and making money through rental income. You will need money for a down payment and also a good credit score. After this, you will source a property that you want to buy and find a good tenant who wants to pay to stay in your property. So in terms of getting started, this is very high. the level of investment that is required. And in terms of upkeep, it will require you to maintain the property or properties that you own. So you will have to manage your own properties, and this will cost you time and money. Or if you want to hire someone like a property manager, this also will cost you money. But this is a second way anyone can make money through rental income without actually needing to deposit lots of money or managing the property. And this is through investing in a real estate investment trust, which is also called a REIT. A REIT is essentially a company that invests in different types of properties. This could be warehouses, hotels, shopping centers, and residential housing, and then rents those properties out and earns rental income. The Real Estate Investment Trust pays 90% of that income by law to its shareholders in form of dividends. So in terms of getting started and investing in a REIT, I would say it is a low entry level. It is far easier because you could buy publicly traded REITs through your brokerage account as you would do when you're buying normal stocks on the stock exchange. The good takeaway from this is that by investing in REITs, you don't have direct ownership of properties, but you'll still need to invest in a fair amount of money to make a decent return because you're not relying on any leverage. The fourth way to make passive income, and this is one of the coolest passive income out there, and this is by dividend sharing. This is where you buy a share or stock of a company. You now become part owner in that company because you own a piece of that company. And now when the company is paying out dividends from the profits it has made, it will pay you a percentage of the profits made, which is also called dividends. In terms of getting started, I'll say that the entry level to this is moderate. This is because buying individual stocks for dividends requires a lot of research. But if you don't want spending a lot of time reading through company financial statements, then a better way to make passive income through dividends is by investing in index funds. There are 4 main advantages of investing in index funds rather than picking individual stocks. The first advantage is attractive returns. Index funds do fluctuate, just like in other stock, but overall, over time, indices have made solid returns, such as the S&P 500. The second advantage of investing in index funds is they provide diversification. With just one purchase, you have access to a wide range of companies. Just one share in the S&P 500 gives you access to more than 500 companies. The third advantage of index funds is they provide lower risk compared to conventional individual stock picking. Because index funds are diversified, they offer lower risk compared to individual stock picking. And also index funds charge lower fees compared to buying individual stocks. So investing in index funds is a safer way to earn dividends than owning individual stocks. In terms of getting started, investing in index funds, the entry level is low because it's really easy to set up a brokerage account to start investing in index funds. The fifth passive income stream is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote someone's products or services and get a commission or a small percentage for doing so. For example, in the description of this video below, you will find affiliate links. I get a percentage for every sale that is made, and this is another way that you can support this channel. What you need to do to start earning from this passive income is just to sign up and join an affiliate program. If you are working a 9-to-5 job and you're interested in making passive income through affiliate marketing, you can send me a message using the email in the description below. The affiliate side is a byproduct of the amount of work that you put in the first place to grow your audience. So the amount of money that you can make from affiliate links, it depends on the amount of time that you put in to grow your audience on your social media platforms. The sixth way to make passive income is selling digital products. This includes ebooks that are downloadable, creating video templates, presets, and website themes. What I really love about digital products is, although it takes time to create it, it costs really low to begin, and it's pretty much passive after that. For example, a YouTuber called Nicholas Christie sells motion graphic templates. His templates help a lot of YouTubers with ease to use video templates to make their videos look really good. You can also create digital products like ebooks, sharing the knowledge that you've gained in your field of expertise, which could make you lots of money. The level of entry to this is very low. You really don't need any money to get started. But the harder part is coming up with an idea that people will pay for it. It will require you to put your digital products on sites that people can access. The last passive income stream on this list is productized service. This is when you sell a service as a product. You could be providing services where you make money, just like video editing or coaching. But these are limited because you're trading time for money. So it is hard to scale. But you can turn this into a productized service. If you are a fitness enthusiast and providing services to clients, you could turn this into a product. Instead of one-to-one classes charging per hour, you can build it into a productized service so that you offer it to subscribers who pay you per month. For example, if they pay you $18 subscription per month and say you have 1,000 persons that have subscribed, you'll be making $18,000 per month. But you'll be required to build an app that offers a subscription service. It will cost you a lot of money setting up this app. That's why the entry level to this is high. So these are some passive income streams that you could consider making money from. And if you have done any of these, I'm curious to know what your experience was with that. And if you have other passive income streams that have worked for you, I would love to hear about them. If you did enjoy this video, you may also enjoy other videos on my left. So make sure to check them out. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you in the next video.